Here at Chris's house. Access is going to be through the driveway. We're going to be kind of pulling up right here, parking. Just looking at some paver cleaning. Maybe just hitting this sidewalk a little bit, just to make things look nice. Sidewalk up, stoop. We're just going to be blowing out these joints here. Getting all the weeds out. Coming down this way. Blowing this out. This joint's pretty big. So maybe just figuring something out with that. I'm going down this way. Blowing everything out. This patio back here, getting all this moss out. And this little section going around here. Blowing all these joints out. And then re-sanding it. I think I'm not 100% sure. What color this is. Assuming beige. That's what it looks like. So yeah. Blowing it out, cleaning everything off, and then beige sandlock. Filling the joints. That's pretty much it.